few folks asking me to make a little video of the equipment in my workshop. So here you go. This is the whole story. Okay, so this is the workshop. Everything you'll need to make a knife. You don't really need all this stuff, but this is what I use. So this is a power hammer, my gas forge, anvil, and there's all the tongs, bits and pieces there, hammers, and then a hydraulic press. And after forging the blade out, this is the next room. Here's all my grinding belts, belt grinders. I've got 3 of them here. This is got the polishing mop set up now. Over here is a little mini wheel, turn that motor, 4 little round corners and then on the bends on the knives. Yeah, platen for grinding bevels, and then this one I use for a few things, but at the moment it's got a leather wheel on for honing sharpened blades. Yeah, some safety gear, face shield, excuse me, and 3M dust mask. Okay, and then here's sort of general work. I've got 2 worktops here. That's where I do my welding, sometimes hand sanding and polishing, and when I do classes, explain stuff there. Yeah, little bandsaw. There's some work in progress and just stuff that I don't really know where to put. On top of here I've got some steel, and then on top of there's quenching whales, more steel, and then after grinding and everything, there's my quench tank with the correct oil for the steels I use. And then in here is all my small tools like hand tools and small bits and pieces like screwdrivers, spanners, and then some safety gear, gloves, earplugs, whatnot. Yeah, and then through here is what I call the clean room. It's a bit messy at the moment, but yeah, I do detailed filing and finishing work, Dremel tool, diamond files, very lacquer, proper bright light here. This is a must have, nice bright light. Yeah, and then brass vise, that's awesome for handle finishing and also filing work. Bunch of more files. Here's all the Dremel tool bits that I use. Pinning stock, and then yeah, I've got wood scales, wood blocks. On top there's a shim stock, etching, chemicals and machine. That's for resin, colouring, pigments, all that stuff. Silicone molds for handles. That last box is all my welding gear, welding goggles, gloves, welding rods. This is for handle fitment, so it's got the acetone, toilet paper, clamps, epoxy, everything that I need when I fit the handles. This is for etching. I just finished etching, so there's not much in there. Yeah, and then a lot of sandpaper stock. I use a ton of this stuff, all the different grits. And then yeah, I pre-cut the sandpaper, put it in these bins with the different grits in, so when I'm sanding I don't have to cut sandpaper. Bench drill, bin, vacuum cleaner, in that big black bin at the bottom there, it's my actual resins, and in there. Yeah, and then through here is some storage, especially for steel rods, all my oils, acetone, linseed oil, paraffin goes there. Yeah, and then I've got stock of wood, more steel, and then all sorts of bits of scraps on that I want to maybe one day do some like scrap metal sculptures with. a nice big magnifying glass with a LED light. Very lekker for looking for detail on a blade, like scratches and stuff like that. What else? A broom, fire extinguisher. I suppose that's super important. And on top here, some more storage, some backup quenching oil. And what's else? Yeah, that's testing equipment, Rockwell tester, heat gun, you know, to the heat measuring gun, multimeter in there, and then yeah, this is stationery, pens, pencils, rulers, all that type of stuff. Yeah, I've got refill, gas, and screwdrivers. They're all new things I haven't used yet. Electronics bin, bits and pieces of cable and cameras and chargers and whatnot. These top ones are still available for future storage. There's all my mini wheels, filing guards, clamps and so on. And I think that is about that. The last one here is my little bonsai tree. So in the mornings I come here and I give my little tree a nice little splash of water. Makes me happy, that one. Look at it, hopefully it gives you an idea. I think I'll do a little quick, another run through here. So it's storage, clean room. It's not clean, but it's for clean work. It's general work area over here. Forging area over here. And my dog's food. And then the grinding room, the dirty room. Look at it. Hope that helps if you're doing a workshop setup. This is just how I do it. Maybe I should have cleaned this place up before I did this video. Anyway, look at it. Good luck with your knives and your workshops. Gave you a bit of insight on, I don't know, what my knife making workshop looks like. I'm sure there's 100 ways of doing this, but this is my setup. And yeah, if you like it, please quite a comment there. If you don't like anything, quite a comment, let's hear. And yeah, please subscribe, like, share, all of that cool stuff. Nice dudes. Cheers.